Hello, mudras have very great importance in spiritual practices. Our Gurudev Narayan Srimali ji told us that there are five main mudras. For example, every spiritual practice has its own mudra. For example, Tara Sadhana has its own mudra and Lakshmi Sadhana has its own mudra. In such a way, every sadhana will have its own mudra. But if we are unaware of the mudra for our spiritual practice, we can normally do five mudras which are most important mudras which will help in our spiritual practice. If we do these five mudras, then no need to do other mudras for our spiritual practice. First one is Danda Mudra. Make a fist with your right hand with thumb pointing upwards. Second one is Matsya Mudra. Put right hand on left hand as you are seeing on the video, and you should move the thumb as shown in the video. Third one is Shankha Mudra. Catch your left hand thumb with the right hand and join the right hand thumb with the left hand fingers as shown in the video. Fourth one is Abhaya Mudra. Face two hands palms front side as shown in the video. In the fifth mudra, you need to place your right hand on your chest with the fingers wide open as shown in the video. Once you do all these mudras before any spiritual practice, then there is no need to do any other mudras. Thank you.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. If you liked the video, please press like button and share it with your friends. Thank you.